Giga Berlin Leaks Cybertruck updates. Have you heard about this trend in marketing by Tesla? That's leaking their own models before launching officially? Yes, you heard it right. Tesla Berlin leaks their Cybertruck model in a video. Today, we're going to tell you about those Giga Berlin leaks about the Cybertruck. Welcome to Elon Musk Newest. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update on the new things we bring for you regarding the tech magnate Elon Musk and his wild endeavors. That being said, let's begin. Long-time fans of the Tesla Giga Berlin Leaks Cybertruck have been anticipating the day that Gigatruck will be in their hands, and it looks like it won't be much longer before that day comes. The Tesla Giga Berlin Leaks Cybertruck, the team has been hard at work, making sure everything works as well as it can, ensuring that all of your questions about the Tesla Giga Berlin Leaks Cybertruck get answered and all of your wishes are granted. Now you can finally enjoy the experience that you deserve. Here are just some of the things we've heard about Tesla's newest project this week. Tesla Gigafactory in Berlin. On June 6, 2017, Elon Musk presented the master plan, Part 2, at the company's headquarters in Hawthorne, California. The plan included details about future factory locations and products as part of his vision to move Tesla towards a solar and battery-powered transportation and energy storage company, including the Gigafactory No. 1 in Nevada and the Tesla Giga Berlin factory in Germany that will assemble cars with batteries manufactured in Nevada, plus Powerwalls and other Tesla home battery products that are manufactured in California. Tesla has officially broken ground on its Gigafactory in Berlin, Germany. It is a new generation of electric vehicles equipped with 3 motors and lithium-ion batteries that promise to make electric transportation cheaper than ever before. The factory will be used to manufacture gigatons of raw materials from recycled plastic bottles that would normally end up in landfills. Upon completion, it will be one of Europe's largest facilities for producing eco-friendly battery-powered cars. All parts are expected to come online by January 1st, 2025, when Tesla has promised to have 10 million eco-friendly vehicles on Europe's roads at a price far lower than any gasoline vehicle that has been made to date. Currently, Tesla is focused on production capacity and plans to build 80% of vehicles out of recycled plastic that it produces on site. In addition to providing millions of jobs in regional economies across Europe, there are currently no plans to produce other products such as solar panels or home generators there. However, those options remain open depending upon demand and growth over time. On September 14, 2023, Tesla's much-anticipated Gigafactory plant was unveiled. Tesla confirmed it will invest $500 billion into Tesla Germany alone over the next 5 years, $50 billion every year until 2028. The official name was chosen after public voting where tens of thousands participated as Part 2, yes 2, of Tesla planting in Germany. It can continue to grow even more. When completed, Tesla Germany hopes to become net energy exporters, becoming less reliant on imports from outside their nation. With energy self-sufficiency also comes electricity prices reduced significantly, making Tesla automobiles not only greener but easier to own with less ongoing costs compared to traditional vehicles, gasoline-powered cars. Additionally, already having low maintenance costs since everything operates automatically including charging. Tesla Cybertruck leaks via Giga Berlin. Tesla's Gigafactory in Germany has been a source of controversy since it was announced back in 2014. Just last year, protests occurred with some activists even breaking into and occupying the factory site. Now, however, it appears that they won't have to worry much longer. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has just revealed an updated version of his Cybertruck that will be used to break through Berlin's largest wall to get at least one of its construction projects finished on time. It turns out that despite what most people expected, Musk hasn't yet abandoned Cybertruck as a technology. He's merely shifted his focus to smaller models like these Teslas. Of course, some protesters remain skeptical about whether or not these trucks can actually do what their name implies and manage to break down barriers without damaging or destroying them. But Tesla is confident that they'll meet all expectations when they hit roads across Germany by early 2022, which is only weeks away now. Needless to say, we'll be keeping our eyes on Giga Berlin over the next few weeks and months. Stay tuned for more updates as we're able to make them available. Before that, they were making headlines with their leaks on Cybertruck. It's viral news on YouTube, and some drone operators are capturing videos on Tesla Gigafactories and posting on their YouTube channels. Why does Tesla leak their new models? Tesla has been doing things a little differently. When it comes to future product announcements, instead of giving a heads up to journalists, they let their fans in on what's coming next, making everyone feel like they are a part of their journey. One example of that was Tesla's Model 3 unveiling party in July 2017, where thousands of people showed up at Tesla stores around the world to catch an early glimpse at Tesla's newest car. That event was invite only, and Elon Musk himself did not even know how many people would be there. Tesla continued its unconventional approach earlier in 2018 with the Tesla truck announcement. This time, Tesla simply added the Tesla semi-truck unveiling party to their company website and made all of their pre-existing truck pages redirect to it. The page had a countdown timer and informed visitors that if you were interested in reserving one, you should add your name to the waitlist. Fans didn't need any more information. They took off work or lined up outside dealerships overnight just waiting for invitations or ticket purchases, and later videos, so they could see Tesla's new semi-truck firsthand. These Tesla enthusiasts don't seem to mind being kept in the dark ahead of time because Tesla doesn't treat them like customers, they treat them like owners, which is something worth watching out for. Businesses love to use a model from other industries because it makes sense from a cost savings perspective. But often companies have no idea how to manage these relationships after cross-pollinating ideas between industries. Using word-of-mouth marketing as free marketing has worked extremely well for Tesla Motors, but it remains to be seen whether Tesla can keep going to market without changing its playbook. With talk already shifting towards the upcoming Tesla Cybertruck, is Tesla once again setting itself up for a potential failure? Because earlier at the Cybertruck announcement, their expectations were not reached by their demo piece. That's why they are taking more time to build it, and using their free marketing strategies like mount marketing and giving space to leakers about their products. You can also know about their strategies for marketing explained by NKBHD in a clean and clear way. Our take on new leaks. CEO Elon Musk announced back in 2014 that Gigafactory 1 would be constructed in Sparks, Nevada, to support Model 3 manufacturing. Back then, he made it seem like an important part of Tesla's long-term business plan. Then there was a vote on whether Nevada could be that home. It passed by a narrow margin, but plenty of controversy surrounding it, and construction began almost immediately. The factory officially opened on July 29, 2017, with a capacity to produce up to 35 gigawatt-hours worth of battery packs per year, or enough batteries for 500,000 vehicles. As they say, time flies when you're having fun, and although we've been flying at top speed here lately, at Tesla headquarters, it sure does feel like we just flipped a switch for our first customers only 2 years ago. Nowadays, people are already talking about our next facility, which will bring some needed relief from customer demand and slightly increase our production. So where is that next gig going to be? Well, without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, introducing Gigafactory 2. Currently codenamed Berlin. With its excellent location right outside of Berlin's city limits, as well as its car-friendly nature, tolls included, they think Germany is perfect for building one big freaking battery plant. Speaking of being near cities, Gigafactory 2 will have close access to many public transportation options, so you can ride your bike right into our brand new factory campus. And they completed it and started working on their new models, and also using their unique techniques for hyping up their products by leakers. And we saw so many videos on YouTube about Tesla leaks by using their drones. And they are not taking any action on the drone flyers on their manufacturing companies. In fact, they are giving the scope for the leakers. It's a good strategy for their brand reputation. What do you think about marketing plans, and will this work out in the future as well? Tell us your opinion about this in the comment section below. Actually, they are making some good models in the EV segment by using their brand reputation with zero advertising cost. That's why these marketing techniques are very helpful for them to reach more audiences via their leaks and mouth publishing. We hope you like our content. If yes, give a big thumbs up if you haven't yet. Make sure to subscribe to Elon Musk Newest for more interesting videos. We'll see you in the next one. Until then, peace.